You guys, it's of course no one else than yours truly, Alex G. We are back on Casehug today, guys. If you are 18 or above, remember about that. You can use my code AlexG in this promo code section here for 20% deposit bonus and $1 welcome bonus if you are a new player. You can also depot with skins, and that is pretty cool. As you can see, my new pickup here, the M9, is worth 6 hundos here. Yeah, starting to build up my inventory back. You know, it's been rough for me lately. 750 in the balance today, so hopefully we finna make it big. But as you can see by the title, we also finna go stupid today and just push a huge bubble here with a lot of cases. So there is gonna be quite some commentary here. Okay, wait, let's stick first things first with some, you know, prices like up to 260. Then we finna move on into the bigger ones. So let's just throw in a bit of everything, I guess. Why not? And that's 2,900, right? Okay, cool, yo. Now let's go like this. Yup. 2 of these, 2 of these, and 3 of these guys. So we're finna run one of the craziest battles on this YouTube channel, but we finna do it 2 versus 2 city side. So this is basically an all-in here, and as you guys know, I'm calling no one else than my bot Fine here. So yeah, 38 runs, first cases, just, you know, for the warm-up to see whether our tickets might be good or not today. I really wonder about that. Okay, first Royal Spinneroni, but it is on a cheap case, but looks like a decent drop. 80 bucks, we take it, man, we take it. Alrighty then, Integrali worth $4, which is absolutely crazy because I always thought that this skin was a lot, and it's pretty cheap and nice. But who plays SG? What the hell? That's 3 handos here. Okay, crazy, but I mean, we are chilling. It's just the beginning. I'm not even worried, guys, I'm not even worried. But yeah, finishing my thought, I wonder who plays SG. Like, literally it's off meta for a few years already. So yeah, I mean, if you play SG, I guess it's good for you. You can buy a cheap skin that looks expensive, you feel me? So yeah, okay, we pull a wildfire here. Oh, shiesty, that might be ugly, but it's not. 100. Ooh, 300. Okay, fine. I mean, we are probably saving our tickets, you know, for the more expensive cases. So honestly, I'm straight up chilling, man, straight up chilling. Just waiting for the expensive ones to roll in, and then we just finna go crazy on them bots, and we finna win this easily, man. That's the plan, at least, you know. Just gotta stick to the freaking plan, bro. Okay, see, this is the first royal spin here on $85 case. First for bot Fine, I mean, I had one. See, and that's already 13 handos. Just like that, we are back in the lead, man, and this is just the beginning of what we finna show them bots, you know. We pull another one here. Ooh, shit, we don't. Okay, in this case, don't be the wild lotus, please. Thank you. That's 2k, I think. No, 1k. Okay, I mean, easy peasy, man. We just need some royal spinneronis on the next ones, and we finna be good, bro. Finna be good. Okay, double golden coin. Alrighty, man. Yeah, we take it. Ooh, that's nice. 162 for that. Cool. Okay, they pulled a gut knife, man. Okay, I mean it's fine. Give us the spin on royal. Oh shit. I mean on the Lord of Arabesque I meant, but it didn't give us, so whatever I said, it doesn't even matter, man. 800 behind is what we are, but I mean, still can make it back. We can make it back. 11 more cases here. In the very range of possibility of making it back, you know. Okay, ooh, 624 for that. That's crazy, kinda crazy, not even gonna lie, man. Okay, give us something good here, like Icarus fell, anything? Nah, bro, come on, wakey, we have 7 cases left, bro. We need to lock the fuck in if you wanna win this. Hold, come on, imagine spin here. Oh, bro, this bait. How can you do that to me? After I spent so much on this side, bro. Yo, quantum maybe? We need something to come through now, like literally. It's, you know, it starts to be less funny than it was at the beginning. Okay, we take it. We take it, just keep up the lead somehow, man. Oh, bro, just as I fucking say it, I jinx. GG, I think, honestly. I don't know. We need the royal spin badly here. No, we don't get it, man. Shit. Yo, bro, for real though. I mean, we have 700,000 diamonds here, so maybe if we go to marketplace, we can get some. I don't even know, man. Let's open the sushi master, I guess. Come on, give me some good, please. Ew, stop. Nah, that's like what, 30 bucks, bro. What else can we get here for 300k? 2 call me's. I mean, yeah, let go, maybe, baby, let go. Ooh, no. Yo, give me one more, honestly, just give me one more. Come on, marketplace, call me, buy and open. Let's go, one more for a good measure. That's like $5. Yeah, literally $5. Yeah, we have 75 left, so I mean we can do something with that, right? Let's do a bunch of Apollos, I guess. 12, 14, 15, 10% 4-way solo. Watch me make the biggest comeback of the year, guys, on this freaking site. Let's get it. See, gloves first spin. I wonder what Duck gets though. Don't give him anything too insane. Is it good even? Yeah, like it's the same as my gloves. We chillin', bro. Oh, not anymore. Just give him the M4 again, please. No, that's how much? 200? 150. Okay, it's okay. It's winnable. We need a spinneroni of our own. On the left, on the far left. That's far right, not far left, man. I mean, yeah, how much we talking? 130. What is the best drop in this case, though? Oh, Gamma Doppler Phase 2. Okay, interesting. Now, Bot Troll also pulls the Royal Spin, man. That's kinda crazy. But he gets the M4, so it's alright. 96 bucks for the M4. It's fine. Okay, AWP print stream, 73 bucks. That's okay. We need some more. Okay, Asimov. Not good enough, you know, not good enough. Another Asimov. Well, 5 more cases left means 5 more chances to somehow bring it back, man. Ooh, he pulls the AWP for 100. I'm starting to lose my faith here, to be fair, and I think it's gonna be GG, guys, to be honest. Oh, and it also baits me for the Royal Spin, man. Come on, just give me it one time, bro. Nice. Oh, not nice. What do I get? Give me some insane, bro. Nah, that's not insane. Yeah. Well, guys, you win some, you lose some. This one was a pair. I hope that you enjoyed, guys. I'm finna see you in the next video. Peace.